Hello, awesome students! Today we will be learning about the autonomic nervous system. It's also known as the ANS. This system is responsible for the control of bodily functions. Hysterical reflex actions maintain homeostasis. They begin when the sensory neurons are in contact with internal organs. They send messages via the spinal nerves to the CNS. They're completed when motor neurons stimulate smooth muscle, cardiac muscle, or a gland. The ANS is made up of the sympathetic and parasympathetic divisions. The functions include little to no voluntary control. All internal organs have fibers from each or both divisions, and they utilize 2 motor neurons and 1 ganglion to transmit an action potential. The first and second neuron. The first neuron has a cell body within the CNS and a preganglion axon fiber. The second neuron has a cell body within the ganglion and a postganglion axon fiber.
Now, let's talk about the differences between sympathetic nervous system and the parasympathetic nervous system. First, sympathetic nervous system is in charge of fight or flight. It also means it responds with emergency situation. Parasympathetic nervous system is in charge of rest and digest. It also means parasympathetic nervous system responds with relaxed status. About motor fiber locations, sympathetic nervous system has its motor fibers in thoracolumbar-spinal nerves, while parasympathetic nervous system has its motor fibers in sacrospinal nerves and cranial nerves. About ganglion, sympathetic nervous system's ganglion is near the spinal cord, so it has a shorter preganglionic axon and a longer postganglionic axon. However, parasympathetic nervous system's ganglion is near or within the effectors, so it has a longer preganglionic axon and a shorter postganglionic axon. Here are some examples of the effects. Sympathetic nervous system accelerates heart rate and inhibits digestion, and the parasympathetic nervous system slows heart rate and promotes digestion. Norepinephrine is the neurotransmitter of sympathetic nervous system, and acetylcholine is the neurotransmitter of parasympathetic nervous system.
The parasympathetic division stimulates tears, constricts pupils, and salivation. The vagus nerve of the spinal cord slows down the heart and releases bile in the gallbladder, and the sacral nerve causes urination and male erection in the genitals.
Thank you for listening to our presentation.
Created using Powtoon.